Revu, you can easily add actions to your search results, such as highlighting PDF content, adding counts, creating hyperlinks, or even redacting and replacing text, all using the search panel. After running a text or visual search, navigate to the search panel and review your results under Results. From here, you can select individual instances or all matches from your search. In this example, you'll select all instances by checking the Select All checkbox under Results. Next, to add an action to your selected results, click the action icon. From here, you can see multiple options like Hyperlink Checked, Mark for Redaction, Apply Count Measurement to Checked, and Highlight Checked. To highlight every result, choose Highlight Checked. You can also add a count. With your search results still selected, click the action icon again. This time, hover over Apply Count Measurement to Checked. You can choose either a built-in shape symbol or a customized count symbol to visually mark the results. Select the symbol that best fits your needs. The count markup will appear in the markups list, with the total displayed in the comments column. Like any markup, you can change the subject field to better describe the content. Additionally, you can also add hyperlinks to your search results. With your item still selected, click the action icon and select Hyperlink Checked. From here, you can create a hyperlink to a page, a place, a space, a snapshot view, an external website, or even another document, such as a details page from your computer. For this example, we will select page 2 to link to the details page. Then click OK. With just a few clicks, you can highlight, count, hyperlink, redact, and even replace text directly from your search results, helping you work smarter and more efficiently in Revu.